Sometimes when we try something new, it doesn't work out the way we thought it would.
Ugh! It fell again. I can't do it.
That's okay, Josiah. Let's take a deep breath and try again.
Okay, I'll try again, slowly this time.
When we take our time and don't give up, something amazing can happen.
I did it. I kept going, and it worked.
You're growing stronger every time you try. Say it with Josiah.
I can try again because anything I put my mind to, I can do. I just have to be patient with myself. I'm awesome.